Here's how to use a Google review bot in 2026 to grow your business ranking instantly. Let's dive in. First, head over to reviewfame.com using the link in the description. You'll see a ton of services for Trustpilot, Facebook, and TripAdvisor, but today we're focusing on Google. Let's hover on Google, next click on Buy Google Reviews. Once you're inside the Buy page, you will see they offer 2 quality tiers depending on what you need. High quality is ideal for building credibility with photos and light activity. If you need more power, Premium offers top-tier reviews capable of making your listing rank higher and look better. This is the best choice for strengthening your reputation on Google Maps and search. For this test, we're choosing one high-quality review for $8.99. Click Buy Now and enter your business listing name. Add your email for updates, then pick your rating. In this video, we're going with 5 stars. Now, you can either write your own reviews or automate it. You can even specify gender or add special notes. I'm skipping those for now. Next is the speed. For now, I'll choose 1 review per day. If you have more reviews to order, you can freely change this. Next, click Continue. Then finally, just pick your preferred payment option, either card or crypto, and lastly, hit Pay Now. Then the order success screen will appear. So, here's how it went and the reviews got in. After just a few days, you can see the new review show up on the listing. They look completely legit, and the reviewers' locations are in the same region, which makes them look so real. Now, let's talk risk. Getting reviews this way is technically against Google. To stay safe, don't blast 100 reviews onto a brand new page in one day. If you're ready to level up your online reputation, go to reviewfame.com using the link in the description below. It's the easiest way to get that social proof you need. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more business growth tips.